Regardless of years of expanded execution and higher rescreens, the one thing that still makes the vast majority obsessed with their PCs is battery life. That is the interest behind another type of PCs that keep running on Snapdragon 835 processors from Qualcomm, as opposed to the Intel and sporadically AMD CPUs that power about each cutting-edge PC. A modest bunch of cases have been reported by HP and Asus, and now Lenovo is joining the gathering. Up until this point, still a really selective one, with the Miix 630. This 2-in-1 crossbreed is a Windows-fueled 12.3-inch slate-style tablet with an included, illuminated clasp on console and a stylus. Lenovo asserts up to 20 hours of battery life, which is the principal offering purpose of these new Snapdragon PCs. However, they likewise offer dependably on LTE associations, which is a return to an once basic PC highlight, an implicit information association that has been once in a while found as of late. It additionally adds to the telephone-like vibe, like the other Qualcomm-controlled PCs we've seen. This run Windows 10s, which is a restricted form of Windows 10, that alone permits applications from the official Windows 10 application store to be introduced. There are some substantial security purposes behind doing that, and it guarantees programming similarity with these new processors. However, it likewise confines your decision of web programs, photograph altering applications and then some. Luckily, as most Windows 10s frameworks, you can move up to Windows 10 Pro for nothing temporarily.